Ever felt that knot of anxiety when trying to connect your precious crypto hardware wallet to its companion app? You're not alone. It can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But fear not, because today, we're going to demystify the process and get your ELLIPAL Titan, or Mini, seamlessly linked to your mobile app. Think of your ELLIPAL hardware wallet as the Fort Knox of your digital assets, ultra-secure and offline. The app, on the other hand, is your mission control, allowing you to view your balances, initiate transactions, and stay updated on the market. Connecting the two is the crucial first step in managing your crypto with both security and convenience. So, where do we begin? First things first, make sure you have the official ELLIPAL app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. You can usually find it on your device's app store. Just search for ELLIPAL. Double-check that it's the legitimate app to avoid any potential scams. Once the app is installed, power on your ELLIPAL device. You'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen or a prompt to set up a new wallet or connect an existing one. Since we're focusing on connecting to the app, you'll want to look for an option like Connect Wallet or something similar. Now, pay close attention to both your ELLIPAL device screen and your phone screen. The app will typically guide you through the connection process step by step. This usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your ELLIPAL device using your phone's camera. When the app prompts you to scan, carefully align the phone's camera with the QR code on your ELLIPAL screen. Make sure the lighting is good and your hands are steady for a clear scan. Once the app recognizes the code, it will establish a secure Bluetooth connection with your device. It's important to note that the ELLIPAL Titan and Mini communicate with the app primarily via Bluetooth. This keeps your private keys secure as they never directly touch the internet. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for the connection to work smoothly. After the initial QR code scan, the app might ask you to verify the connection on your ELLIPAL device. This is an added security measure to ensure that you are indeed the one initiating the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions on your ELLIPAL to confirm. Once confirmed, your app should now be linked to your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. You'll likely see your wallet balances and transaction history reflected in the app. Congratulations, you've successfully bridged the gap between cold storage security and mobile convenience. Keep in mind that for security reasons, you'll typically need to have your ELLIPAL device powered on and nearby whenever you want to perform actions that require interacting with your wallet through the app, such as sending cryptocurrency. The connection isn't persistent in the sense that your app will always be actively linked without the device being present and powered on. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, double-check that both your ELLIPAL device and your app are running the latest firmware and software versions. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility problems. You can usually find update options within the app settings or on the ELLIPAL device itself. Also, ensure that Bluetooth is functioning correctly on your smartphone and that there are no other Bluetooth devices interfering with the connection. If the scanning process fails repeatedly, try restarting both your phone and your ELLIPAL device. Connecting your ELLIPAL to the app is a fundamental step in securely managing your cryptocurrency. By following these steps carefully, you can seamlessly integrate the security of cold storage with the convenience of mobile access. Remember to always prioritize security and double-check every step of the process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.